my name is Molly and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making the iconic Italian dessert called Tiramisu, which means pick me up or cheer me up in Italian. These decadent treats made with ladyfinger dipped in strong coffee and liqueur. My creamy filling have no eggs inside, just mascarpone cheese, whipped cream, and a little twist in between. Let me show you how you can make this amazing dessert. For a rich and decadent cheese filling, whip 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 1/4 cup of sugar until it forms a soft peak. In a separate bowl, combine 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use a clear vanilla to keep the cream white, but it didn't make any difference, so feel free to use whatever vanilla you have. Whip it up until well combined. Next, we need to incorporate the whipped cream with the cheese mixture. I always add the lighter texture into the heavier ingredients to maintain an airy and fluffy consistency. Gently fold the whipped cream with the cheese filling until you get a smoother cream. For a smoother and thicker cream with a luscious flavor, melt in a microwave-safe bowl 100 grams of white chocolate with 40 milliliters of heavy cream for about a minute at 30-second intervals. Stir until the chocolate becomes a smooth and glossy ganache. Cool it slightly before adding it to the cream. Start by adding a small amount of the cream into the white chocolate ganache, then mix it until it's well incorporated. Tempering the ganache with the whipped cream is a very important step to maintain the cream smooth, light, and airy. Use a whisk, it blends it better than a spatula. Now add the tempered chocolate into the cheese filling and fold it gently until it's smoothly blended and you get a luxurious and velvety cream with a rich flavor of white chocolate. Cover and refrigerate it until ready to use. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of espresso coffee at room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of kahlua liqueur to enhance the coffee flavor. If you don't want to use alcohol from any reason, or if you plan to serve it to children, you can skip the alcohol completely and replace the espresso to decaffeinated coffee. To assemble the cake, take the lady fingers and quickly dip each one of them in the coffee liqueur and shake any excess of liquid. Now arrange them in a single layer in a 9 by 13 inch tray. Make sure to dip them briefly, just to moisten them, without making them too soggy. That will ruin your tiramisu. Next, spread half of the cheese filling over the lady fingers and smooth the top first layer. Continue building the second layer of the lady fingers dipped in the coffee liqueur. Now spread the remaining cheese filling and smooth the top. Cover with saran wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight to firm up and develop an incredible deeper flavor. For the finishing touches, grate some semi-sweet chocolate over the top for that extra decadence. Then follow dusting some cocoa powder for a deeper chocolate flavor. No wonder why this irresistible classic Italian dessert is called tiramisu. With every bite you take, it elevates your spirit and cheer you up. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you at my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.